Okay, this is Adam erecting the bicycles onto the car. Nice sunny day.
And where are we going on this magical mystery tour?
We are heading for Somerset, Ilminster, along the old railway line.
Yes. If we can get the bikes.
If we can get the bikes on the back and we don't kill anyone if they fall off in transit. Just getting them in place. Very nicely done.
Edit, cut.
Finito.
And here's Polly attempting to show her bum. No, attempting to do something. Bungee strap them on.
What a palaver!
Are we, Polly?
We are in Donyat, Somerset, just about to embark on our great mission. Oh, Adam, don't film me.